going on there, anglers? Welcome to another beautiful day here at Willow Beach. Just getting the day started. We're over here with John Bag, repping the LEW'S merch over here. We got Goof Troop somewhere in the water over there. And we're gonna see how we do today. A couple trout swimming by. We're gonna toss some of the good old madebaits. Got the new madebaits kit. Probably gonna start out with the ladybug color. Switch it up. Try one of the new ones. Yeah. Looks nice. See how we do. I might try one more color before we go, but we should probably go. Going with the beetle now.
Wait, what? Let me take color too. What you gonna throw?
This one?
Try this one. Have you tried this one yet?
No.
Hold on, I'm gonna give you the grasshopper one back. Alright.
We might have to move spots, y'all.
No wonder nobody's over here, bro.
Oh, I legit had a chaser.
Over there? Right there?
Yeah, there.
Dumbo.
Jesus,
Dumbo!
That okay?
Hey, Willie, are we moving? Do we have to take our rods apart to move?
No.
Hey, hombre.
Let's move them.
Hey, hombre. Pásame. Hey, tranquilo, man.
We're still gonna throw the beetle madebaits. See if we get any action over here. Oh, school's coming back. Going right to left. Ooh, ooh. Got one. Oh, he got off. On the beetle too. Ooh, ooh, little school, little school.
Two big fish right in front of you.
Oh, he got off.
Well, they're hitting. At least they're hitting.
Right.
Are they swimming back?
Yeah. Over there by Johnny. Dang it. Hooked up twice. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, I had a chaser. What are you saw that?
Yeah, they're coming, they're coming. Oh.
is it? Oh, he's right there.
Yes! Thank you.
You did good.
Woo! Finally.
We beat the Willow skunk today.
Just hit up on the madebaits. Got it on the beetle. Gonna switch colors just to try it out. I'm gonna go with the grasshopper. Always wanted to catch one on this one. Let's get it. Where you at? Where they at?
I'm out right now.
Where'd they go?
They went to the right. First move.
Oh yeah, there is, there is.
Nice.
Made bait.
Hold it.
It's the same one, Will.
It's the same one. Yee, number 2. Nice. The green and brown.
Grasshopper one?
Yeah, the grasshopper. Caught on 2, the beetle, grasshopper. Now we're gonna try the ladybug again. See what that hooks up.
Some good vibes today, huh?
Good vibes.
Yeah.
Finally got a fish. Good vibes. Shut up. And that's why you haven't hooked up.
Will, I ain't getting skunked today, bro. Nah.
Let's hope that skull comes back.
Cool, coming to you, man.
Mine might be a little too much for him, but...
Mine bit the top of it.
Got one.
Got one, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Did not get stuck today. You got a net?
Yeah.
Did you say maybe?
Yeah, he got it off the maybe.
Good shit, man.
You got, oh, my net's right there. Get him on film. Of course, I didn't bring my backpack, my sugar. Shit, yeah, dude.
Got him, bro?
This guy's excited. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man. Hell yeah.
Dude, yeah. Be careful, Will.
Come for us. I think this might be too much for him.
Proud of you, man.
Made bait, nice.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
Oh, got off.
I wasn't gonna keep him. I was gonna kiss him and let him go. But dude, yeah, the made bait, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Good shit, man.
It's a shallow catch and release, man. I'm jealous, man. I'm jealous. I want one.
Looking for a school.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn. Come on. He's right there, Willard. They're right there.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. They bit it like 4 times.
There we go.
Fish on, buddy. Fish
Stuck.
on.
Get him, Willard. How big's that one?
He's a little dinker, bro. He's my little dinker. They don't call me Dinker Daddy. Off of made baits, baby.
There we go.
Okay, we can go home now.
On the blue. They like
Woo! Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Good shit, Goof. First official one.
Jeez. Alright, fishy. Go ahead.
Good stuff.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Thanks for the assist, dude.
Yep.
Contact.
Anytime.
That was from a hip fire.
The hip fire.
Goddamn hip fire.
That shit don't miss, fool?
They don't miss, man. My PB was a hip fire.
Baby.
Willard, I'm having fun now.
You're having fun now?
Oh, I been had fun.
Oh, coming back, coming back.
We're at 45.
Oh, they're coming, dude.
Nice.
Woo!
Johnny, assist him.
On the ladybug.
Is it the same type of thing? Bring them on in, bring them on in. Ooh, on the red.
Yes, sir.
Here, trim me.
There we go.
Do your video shots and shit. Get clean ones.
Good shit, Will.
Thank you, thank you.
This one's for big man.
Also red one?
Yeah.
You did all colors today?
Yeah, colors of the rainbow.
Did you do, Willie?
Yeah.
Did the grasshopper, I did the beetle, the purple one, and now the red one.
Let me see.
That's gonna do it for us anglers here at Willow Beach. It was a very slow start to the day, but we ended up catching 4 on the made baits, 1 on the dragonfly, 1 on the ladybug, 1 on the beetle, and 1 on the grasshopper. So it ended up being a great day. Like I said, it was a slow start, but we had a really good time. So like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching the content, and we'll catch y'all next time.